Hey guys and gals, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to do a review on the Charter Spectrum 1 gig internet speed service. So let's go ahead and get started with this review. Alright guys, so here we are. We're going to do a speed test using the Spectrum Charter's speed test and everything. So let's go ahead and click on it and see what we get. Now I had a tech come out to the house and they did the test. Now this is supposed to be 1 gig and they did get 1 gig from the pole to the box. However, out here on the cable line that's running to the street, they didn't get that. They only got like 339 up to like, I think the high was around 600 megabytes. So what I've been doing is I've been testing different web browsers and the speeds, and I'm letting you see this. Now this is based on my location. Once again, I live just outside of Whitwell, Tennessee. So yeah, you can see that that's kind of crazy. But yes, I'm paying for a gig, and it was a $200 installation charge. Yeah, just like a business. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the Xfinity speed test. So let's start this. All right. Looks like we're getting a little bit better on the Xfinity speed test. It's cranking up. Notice it's inconsistent. It's jumping around. Now he did say, the technician did say that I'll probably get an upload speed of around 35 megabytes per second. If you look, I'm getting right at 24. Okay. All right, let's go and let's try a Speakeasy speed test. Now, this is the one that I used to use all the time as a youngster. Was the Speakeasy speed test. What I mean by a youngster, I just mean maybe, around 8 years ago or something. But yeah, as you can see, not that great. Now Charter does offer a 400 megabyte service, so you might want to wait and not get the gig like I did from Charter, because Charter Spectrum is still behind on their lines, evidently. Upgrading the lines that are out on the street. So, all right, let's go to the Google speed test. Now I'm just using different speed tests so you can see that I'm not trying to intentionally make Charter look bad, because I've been a loyal Charter subscriber for years. Now look at that, 29.4 megabytes per second on the download. That was kind of a huge disappointment. So what I'll do is I will try to rerun that just to get a better test, because wow, 30, wow, that's very bad. Wow. Okay, at least we're getting in the hundreds this time. So all I want to say is inconsistent. Inconsistent. I mean, that's definitely what we can say. Charter is inconsistent on their 1 gig service. Now I do want you guys and gals to know that I do have new lines in the house. I do have new lines running from the pole into the house. So it's definitely not the technician's fault that installed this. Let's look at the AT&T high-speed test. We can see the latency there and everything. So let's see what we get. Here we go. Wow. Now that download looked pretty good, didn't it? At 600 and something. Then it shot to 7, and now it's falling again. So AT&T says 543. Upload speed, they say, close to 30, well, a little bit over 30 now. That's impressive. That's nice. And I honestly, I know I've got these open windows, but I don't have anything in the house running. No streaming devices or anything. This is just a tower. So, all right. So you can see those numbers there. It talks about the results. But anyway, 543 megabytes per second. Upload speed, more impressive on this one, 42.7. All right, let's look at the next one. I just found this one. So let's see what it does. I don't know if it does anything or not, but we're going to check it and see. It says testing the speed of your device to our network. So I'm just letting it run, and you can tell that this is for a handheld. That's what they're showing. I know this is Verizon, but I saw this website to test the speed, so that's why I'm using it. But I'm just trying to show you guys this. That way, if you can decide if you want to pay the $200 installation fee to get the 1 gig service, because evidently the lines on the street are not up to par to accommodate the 1 gig service. Now your lines running into your home are, but the ones on the outside on the street, well, at least mine are, these are behind. So, and I live just outside the city, but surely there shouldn't be, you know, there's no excuse for us to basically get almost less than half of our gig service that we're paying for. So anyway, there's this one. So we got 653 megabytes per second using Verizon, and 33 megabytes upload. So the question remains, should you go ahead and upgrade to Charter's 1 gig service for $200? I don't think so. It's not ready. Like I said, you want to avoid this $200 installation charge. Yes, I went 200 because the 1 gig is definitely not worth it. So just go ahead and pay the extra $25 a month and upgrade to the 400 megabyte service. Anyway, guys, I hope you found this was helpful. All right, guys, y'all have a good one.